I'm in a Volkswagen Up GTI, and next to me is a Mark II Golf GTI. Now the reason I've got these cars together is because they have the same amount of horsepower, pretty much 115 horsepower. So this makes it from its 3-cylinder 1-litre engine that has a 1.8 naturally aspirated engine. So we're going to have a drag race. Before we do though, make sure you subscribe to this channel. Also check us out on Instagram, Carwow Cars. Now let's race. 3, 2, 1. Oh, he got some tyre smoke. But I'm way ahead of him. Oh no. This bogged down a bit, but I've just got an edge. This is fun. I can see that bouncing as he changes gears. That old suspension, it looks like it's coming back though a little bit. But I'm going to take the win. Yes! These cars are so closely matched. He had a good start, bit of wheel spin. This little thing had it in the end. That's decades of progress, I guess. A 1-litre versus a 1.8. This car's actually slightly heavier, just over a tonne this, that's under a tonne.
But in the end, the extra weight didn't matter. The heavier Up was the first across the finish line, and it covered the standing quarter mile in 17.7 seconds. The old school Golf wasn't far behind them, and it did the quarter mile in 18 seconds dead. But will the two cars be as closely matched in the second test?
Right, now we're going to have a rolling race from 30 miles an hour in second gear. I'm going to count it in. We're going to floor the throttles, see what happens. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, it's close. This is so close. Run out of revs. Come on. Come on, this is so close. No, I think I'm just getting a bit of a lead on him. Goodbye. Old GTI. Yes. That's enough of that. I'll let it come back, save some face. Well, I think the key factor there is the torque. This has 200 Newton meters. That has 160. Horsepower's about the same, 115. But yeah, old meets new. It did all right. That actually did all right.
In fact, given how old it is, the Golf did more than just all right. But at the same time, you can't deny the progress VW has made. The Up may be heavier and have a smaller engine, but there's no doubt it's the quicker car.